The bad year for Jago Geerts continues. This coming after race 1, Moto 1, whatever you want to call it, in Lommel, where he had a huge crash. And really, it's just kind of a throwaway year for him at the moment. He's sitting 14th in the overall standings with 242 points, with first having 734. So he's completely out of it. And here's the crash right here. You can tell just wasn't going to make that jump. Nose starts diving, and down he goes. The only good thing you can say is he did get right up, stands up, walks, starts fiddling with the goggles and the helmet, which is always a good sign. I mean, obviously you can be hurt and adrenaline can kind of pump you through things, but if you're standing right up, at least you're not concussed, you're not knocked out, you can move, which is a positive. And with the Alpine Stars what do you want to call it, vest, or whatever airbag vest that they have now, it probably helps too. And a quote from, well, not a quote, but from GateDrop.com as I'm reading this, a Yamaha team member said Geerts is sore, but if the pain subsides, he might be able to race Moto 2. So sucks for him. I mean, that's a big crash, but it's good to see him get up, like I said, move immediately, not have to if you're well enough to be throwing your goggles around, your helmet around, and be kind of mad, you're probably okay, at least for the moment, but we'll see where things go. I don't know. You guys tell me. Comments down below. Are you watching MXGP? Are you just watching American Motocross? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, tell me what your favorite riders, favorite team, whatever it is. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.